Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. For today's video, we'll be working with this unit from OMGqueen.com, and the unit that we'll be working with is this 8-inch Pixie cut short bob wig. Now, as you guys can see, this is not a frontal wig. This is a lace closure, and it is a 1.5 by 4 closure, so as you guys can see, it's small. And also, this wig is perfect if you are a beginner wig wearer, or you don't like to wear frontals, or you just want something quick and easy, glueless, something to just put on and go. And you guys know me, I love me my auntie short pixie cut wigs, girl. Okay, now I have my hair in these big jumbo braids. You guys can tell from my nails that this video was done some time ago, because I had these nails on maybe in like September, and this video was posted in November. So what you guys saw is my certified Bella scalp oil that I always use. If you're new to my channel, I have eczema on the scalp. When I do protective style, that is my go-to. So the wig is freshly washed. I did bleach the knots a little bit. You didn't have to do that. I didn't have to do that, but I wanted the roots to look a little bit more natural, especially since it's not a full frontal. So I washed it, then I used this mousse in my wig. I always use this mousse. This is my go-to mousse. It's the 3-in-1 conditioning mousse. You can find it at Amazon, at your local beauty supply store, or wherever. Just type in conditioning mousse 3-in-1 and you'll find it. So there's combs on the side of the wig that I use to like secure the wig, and girl, this wig is looking like the ultimate auntie wig, just so. And so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna play around with it. Maybe I'm going to show my edges just a little bit, you know, push it back some so that it could look natural and full. So I'm using the She's Bomb Edge Control just to do some soup to the doop. You know how we do, okay, to make my front toe, what am I saying, my edges blend with the wig itself. Now, if you have thinning edges, you really don't have to do this, but if you want the wig to like look natural, like what I'm trying to do, you can use black edge control, sis. That is the truth. Okay, black edge control makes your edges look fuller, especially if you have thin edges for whatever reason, alopecia, giving birth, whatever it is. Get you some black edge control. So initially when I put it on, I'm like, okay, I could only do my edges, then put it behind my ear just to, you know, let it be like that so I don't have to have any leave outs. But then I changed my mind. I'm like, you know what, girl, like I'm gonna leave some leave out, just a little bit. You guys see, just a tad bit, just to carry the wig over the edge, to give it that real fullness, to make it look like, you know, it's blended effortlessly. We need to transform this auntie wig to that rich auntie look. First, the wig is looking like the type of auntie that don't know how to make the potato salad correctly, to the auntie that got all the money. Okay, we're trying to look like the rich auntie over here. So I'm just gonna play around with the wig, make sure my parting isn't crooked. You know what I'm saying? Like, try to get it together and just play around with the wig until I get the desired look that I'm going for. Okay guys, now this is the completed look. Let me know what you guys think down below. It is giving me short and sexy vibe. Like, let me know what you guys think. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. The details will be down in the description box below, the direct link to the wig. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at that's Chev. And I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.